Hey, let me show you how you can use the dual device connection on your Huawei FreeBuds 5. So first of all, on the main device, you have to be connected with the earbuds and the AI Live application. Then go to the connection center and turn it on. And next, when you are connected with the phone, on this second phone or the second device, you just have to open the Bluetooth settings. Next, turn on the Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. And now you have to grab your earbuds and put them to the pairing mode. So click and hold on this button on the charging case when both earbuds are inside. Take a look on this indicator on the front and release the button when it starts blinking like this. Keep that case open, and on this second device you just have to wait until your FreeBuds 5 pops on the list. So here I have the list of the devices, but if it doesn't pop on the list, I can recommend you to perform the soft reset of the Bluetooth. So basically turn it off and turn it on, and then select your Huawei FreeBuds 5. Accept the pairing. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected with this phone and also with our main device. And right now, if I want to quickly switch between any devices, for example, I want to disconnect this FreeBuds 5 from this Redmi 12C. I have to click on them and then tap disconnect. And take a look, I'm not connected anymore. But if I want to be connected back, just click on the 12C and I will be connected. There we go. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.